Most reviews will not tell you this about this product. First of all, if you're looking for an affordable laptop that still delivers top-notch performance, or if you've been waiting for a significant upgrade from last year's models, the Dell Pro may 16th not be the laptop for you. You see, with a starting price of nearly $1,500, this business-grade laptop is a bit pricey for your average user who just needs a computer for basic tasks such as browsing and email. Link is in the description. In the real world, the Dell Pro 16 has proven to be a beast of a laptop. Paired with the new Intel Core i7-150U processor and 32GB of DDR5 RAM, you won't have to worry about performance no matter what you throw at it. In my tests, I was able to run multiple resource-intensive programs simultaneously with plenty of headroom to spare, and even demanding tasks like video editing and 3D modeling were handled without breaking a sweat. What's more, the 1TB SSD ensures super fast boot times and file access, making this laptop feel almost instant on. If you're someone who is constantly on the move, you'll also appreciate the Dell Pro 16's battery life, which, according to Dell, lasts up to 14 hours on a single charge. While I found that the actual battery life to be a bit shorter, averaging around 10 hours, this still puts it ahead of most its competitors. You'll also appreciate the fact that the laptop comes with a decent selection of ports, including 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A, an HDMI, and an RJ45 for wired Ethernet connectivity. And, of course, with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, staying connected to your network and peripherals has never been easier. Now, who should buy the Dell Pro 16? Well, if you're a business user, freelancer, or entrepreneur who requires a reliable laptop for work and play, this might be the perfect fit for you. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, you'll have access to all sorts of features and tools for managing your files, projects, and even security. The backlit keyboard and HD webcam also make it a great choice for remote teams and those who frequently work on the go. However, there is one limitation to the Dell Pro 16 that I have to bring up. It doesn't exactly come with the most upgrade options. You see, the RAM and storage are soldered on, which means you won't be able to upgrade them yourself if you need more. This is a pretty standard configuration for most laptops in this range, but it's still something to consider if you're planning to use your laptop for an extended period. That being said, for most users, this shouldn't be a major concern, and the fact that you get a generous allocation of RAM and storage right out of the box makes it a good choice for heavy users. In conclusion, the Dell Pro 16 is a top-tier business laptop that's geared towards professionals, entrepreneurs, and anyone who needs a reliable and powerful machine for work and play. While it's not for everyone, especially those on a tight budget, it's a great choice for those who require a laptop that can keep up with their demanding workflow. If you have already decided, the link below has the current price.